English to Pashto short sentences. Don't scare him. هغه مه یروه. Don't scare him. Don't jump on bed. په بیډ باندې ټوپ مه وهه. Don't jump on bed. This cup broke. دا پیاله ماته شوه. This cup broke. Sorry for this. د دې دپاره بهنه. Sorry for this. Get down. راکوز شه. Get down. Don't hide. پټېږه مه. Don't hide. My hands are clammy. زما لاسونه غوړ دي. My hands are clammy. My clothes are dirty. زما جامې سخا دي. My clothes are dirty. Don't drop it. دا مه غورځوه. Don't drop it. Don't throw it. دا مه ورته وهه. Don't throw it. Spit it out. دا توکه. Spit it out. Dry your hair. ویښته دې وچ که. Dry your hair. He is brave. هغه نر دی. He is brave. یعنی هغه بهادر دی. Put on your shoes. پایزار دی پخپو کا. Put on your shoes. Who hurt you? چا ته زخمی کړي. Who hurt you? That boy hurt me. دغه هلک زه زخمی کړم. That boy hurt me. Maybe you are tired. کېدې شي ته ستړی شوی. Maybe you are tired. I cannot reach there. زه هلته نشم رسیدی. I cannot reach there. He is very arrogant. هغه ډېر غرور کوي. He is very arrogant. Pass me the salt. مال مالګه راکا. Pass me the salt. Please stop the bus. مهرباني وکه بس ودروه. Please stop the bus. Now get up the bus. وس د بس نه کوز شه. Now get up the bus. Don't wink. سترګه مه وهه. Don't wink. Tell me. ما ته ووایه. Tell me. What's the matter? خبره څه ده. What's the matter? Calm down. په آرام شه. Calm down. Please don't cry. مهرباني وکه جاړه مه. Please don't cry. Don't shout. چغې مه وهه. Don't shout. Take it easy. په قلاره. Take it easy. Don't go there. هلته مه ځه. Don't go there. Help me. کومک را سره وکه. Help me. Or help me. مرسته را سره وکه. Don't do this. دا مه کوه. Don't do this. You write well. ته ښه لیکې. You write well. You think well. ته ښه سوچ کوې. You think well. You dance well. ته ښه ګډېږې. You dance well. You sing well. ته ښه ګانې وایې. You sing well. He speaks well. هغه ښه وایي. He speaks well. He talks well. هغه خبرې ښه کوي. He talks well. Once I met you. یو پیره زه ستا سره میلاو شوم. Once I met you. Once I went there. یو پیره زه هلته لاړم. Once I went there. Once I thought. یو پیره ما سوچ وکو. Once I thought. Once you told. یو پیره تا اوی. Once you told. Once you tried. یو پیره تا کوشش وکو. Once you tried. I came by bus. زه په بس کې راغلم. I came by bus. I went by car. زه په موټر کې لاړم. I went by car. Put on. واغونده. Put on. Take up. وکاږه. Take up. Yes or not. او یا نه. Yes or not. Say yes or not. او یا نه ووایا. Say yes or not. He kept talking. هغه خبرې کولې. He kept talking. Come and talk to me. راشه او ما سره خبرې وکا. Come and talk to me. We never talk. مونږ هیڅ چرې خبرې نه کوو. We never talk. We never talked. مونږ چرته خبرې نه دي کړي. We never talked. Keep talking. خبرې کوا. Keep talking. Stop talking. خبرې کول بند کا. Stop talking. Money talks. پیسې خبرې کوي. Money talks. She talks a lot. هغه ډېرې خبرې کوي. She talks a lot. Can we talk? آیا مونږ خبرې کولی شو؟ Can we talk? Let me talk. ما خبرې کولو ته پرېږده. Let me talk. Talk to me. ما سره خبرې وکړه. Talk to me. Talk to him. هغه سره خبرې وکړه. Talk to him. Talk to her. هغې سره خبرې وکړه. Talk to her. Let's talk. راځئ چې خبرې کوو. Let's talk. I talked. ما خبره وکړه. I talked. I will talk. زه به خبرې کوم. I will talk. Who will talk? څوک به خبرې کوي. Who will talk? د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.